I'm Susan from LVMore. Happy Halloween. I hope everybody's having a safe and fun Halloween. We're gonna go out in a little while, and I have to go to the doctor's. I have a back issue, and after that, then we're gonna go and probably gonna go to the Olive Garden. So looking forward to that. So what are you guys up to today? All right, let me know in the comments. I always like to read them. All right, it's Susan from LVMore, and I have an unboxing. Finally got it. Hopefully this is what I've been looking for. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so it's raining today on Halloween. So there probably won't be a lot of trick-or-treaters when it's raining, but you never know. All right, let's see here. Okay. SAMORGA. I love SAMORGA. And if you want any SAMORGA organizers, I highly recommend them. You get 20% off until the end of the year. So use my coupon code and save a little money. Alright, let's see what they sent me here. Yeah, they're, I guess I was talking with the owner and she said that they're kind of behind. They had like 1,000 orders or something like that, and because I've been waiting for this for several months, maybe longer. And I said, well, you know, because they had a whole thing on Facebook where they had all the stacks of orders. So anyway, so I asked her if my order was in there, and she said hopefully it is. So they are behind, but they are trying to catch up. So if you guys made any orders and they've taken quite a long time to get to you, that's probably why. All right, let's go ahead and open her up. Yeah, the bags are kind of nice. Oh, and they even give you a little, that's cute. They even give you a little air thing. All right, this is for my Toiletry 19. It's got one big pocket in the back there. This one over here, so on both sides basically. They've got a little pen, looks like a little pen or maybe lipstick. Right there, and on the other side it has the same, and this is in the Camel. This is one of their newest colors. It's kind of a brownish orangey color, pretty nice. I kind of like it actually. Then they have SAMORGA right there, which is pretty awesome. The bottom. Yeah, these are the best organizers in my opinion. All right, here's my Toiletry 19, pre-loved. Love it. Okay, let's see if it fits in there. Yeah, perfect. And that's what it looks like. Not filled up, obviously, but can put quite a bit in there. Plus it keeps it pretty clean. And then with some of the pre-loved ones, this lining starts to go after a while. Takes a long time, but so this would be ideal if you wanted to get a pre-loved in really bad condition, like the inside was really bad. You could actually order one of you could take out as much as you could, And then you can get an organizer, and it would be a lot cheaper than getting it relined by LV. And even if you were to get it relined by LV, I was told by my sales associate that they can't guarantee the lining. So why pay that kind of money if you can get a SAMORGA organizer for pennies on the dollar? These are pretty inexpensive. So, plus they have free shipping, so you can't beat that. Now I did bring out my Fendi vintage crossbody in canvas, in Fendi canvas basically. It comes in a dust bag like this. And I was just curious if this would fit in my crossbody. So let's see here. It's kind of similar in size, in a way. Yeah, because it's small. Okay. All right, let's take it out of here. Yeah, these are so nice. That'd be cool if you had a purse that was just an organizer material. Hey, that's an idea. Hey, SAMORGA. All right, so let's see here. Okay, this is the one I made. It's kind of cute, but, you know, I do what I can. I'm not a very good sewer. All right, let's see if it's gonna fit in here. Oh, you know what? It fits. Oh my gosh. Look. So if you have a smaller bag like this one, you could actually use it in there as well. So you don't necessarily have to use it for the Toiletry 19, which it's really designed for. However, you can also, if you're using a small crossbody, it fits pretty good in there actually. The little room to spare. All right, so if you have any questions or you want to have any kind of comments below, please do so. I read every single one and I answer every single one. Until next time, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching LV and More. Have a good day. Bye now.